Hi everyone, Mrs. Basega here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Office Lens to take PDFs of your homework assignments. So first, download Microsoft Office Lens from the self-service on your iPad. You should see it as this icon on your home screen. Opening up Office Lens, select Document from the choices on the side. Document is going to show your camera, and when it gets lined up with the assignment you're looking at, it's going to have an orange edge around it. When that orange edge is aligned with the sides of your picture, press the camera button to take a picture of your document. This screen is going to show you how it's cropping out the rest of the image behind. So hit confirm, and then in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to see the button that says Add. I want to add more to this, so I'm going to take a picture of the next page. Aligning the orange box, clicking, and confirming to show that it fits correctly. Now I'm going to repeat with the last two pages of the document. Notice that the lower right-hand corner has a number showing you how many pictures are currently in the document. Now I'm going to go add filters. I've scanned 4 pages, so on each page I'm going to apply a filter. On black and white pages, you could use Enhance or Black and White or Grayscale, and that will make your image easier to see. On a page that has color, when I add a filter, maybe I choose Enhance instead. Notice how that makes it easier to see, but it maintains the colors. Repeating with the last 2 pages, I'm leaving it as Enhance on the page with color. I'm putting Black and White on the page that doesn't have any color. And then I'm going to hit Next. I want this document saved as a PDF, and I'm going to save it as a PDF to phone storage. From here, I see all the other documents that I've used this app with. So I'm going to select the one I just scanned, the answer key to homework 1.5. And on the top right, I'm going to hit Share. That will share the completed PDF to Drive, Classroom, somewhere else in your file system if you'd like. I selected Drive in this case, and it's going to show me which folder in Drive I'd like to share this document to. I'd like to save it to the 5480 class folder for the year, so I'm going to select that folder, hit Save here, and you'll notice there's an Upload button as that goes. It's currently uploading it to the 5480 folder. But if you wanted to do this directly to Classroom, you could do that instead. So going back into my files, you're going to see that screen that has a picture of all the files you've used Microsoft Lens with. Open the file you want to save, hit the Share button. Now instead of Drive, hit Classroom. I'm going to log in with my account, and that'll allow me to directly put this file to one of your classroom pages. On your screen, you'd see the option to go to any of your other classes. Select that class and upload it to the assignment that you want. So that's how to use Microsoft Office Lens to upload nice PDFs of your homework.